Hey, what is up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. In this episode of Week in Tech, we are going to unbox a product from ASUS Republic of Gamers. Now for those of you who are not aware, this particular product that we're going to unbox is something that we already reviewed on our website. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. I realized we did not unbox or did a proper unboxing of the ROG Flow Z13. And of course, today we're going to give you guys a quick glimpse of what's inside the box, especially for those of you who are actually thinking of getting one. Alam ko iba sa inyo mahilig na maglaro ng mga video games. And you know what ASUS is actually doing here is they're trying to set a different kind of norm by introducing a gaming tablet. And for them, this is their most powerful gaming tablet. So we actually reviewed this, as I mentioned earlier, a few weeks ago, and I posted a video right here in the description box below, and we also did a quick rundown of the specifications of this device. Now, this video is really more of an unboxing, and again, just I mentioned earlier, just to give you guys an idea of what you can expect from this one. Now, I'm not sure if this is still available in the market right now, but as far as I'm aware, as of the production of this video, it is still available, and I believe there are still some shops that are actually selling this, and also available at Lazada and Shopee. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is a different kind of product from ASUS because they're positioning this as a gaming tablet. And when we actually asked ASUS about how they're trying to market this, it's really more of a Surface tablet, but with very much focus on gaming as its core benefit. Especially for those of you who are actually into gaming but would want to have a portable device. Ito nga yung gusto nilang i-position dito. And of course, we totally understand those people who are thinking that, no, this is the kind of laptop that you will not be bringing with you and, expect it to perform with, impressive and outstanding battery life. Syempre, if you compare this with for instance, the iPad, this can last for more than 10 hours or probably more, or 15 hours from one full charge. Kahit maglaro pa ako dyan or manood ako ng Prime Video or Netflix or whatever, this is of course unmatched compared to the iPad. But again, what this offers is that if you want to be able to play and also use your usual application that you're using on your desktop PCs or even more powerful laptops, this is the kind of laptop that you may want to take a look at. Now, I know I'm getting ahead of myself. Again, as I mentioned, may review na kami nito, and if you want to read that, you can go and check it out here. Or if you want to watch our full video about it, it's also there in the description box below. So, this is it, guys. This is the retail box. This is still unopened. Again, this was sent to us by ASUS. And of course, for the purpose of unboxing. So, yan. So, hindi pa siya nakabukas dito. And you have here, Republic of Gamers. Tapos, meron ditong longitude and latitude, which actually, if you take a look at it, it goes to Taiwan. And as said here, it is 13-inch WXGA, 4GB VRAM, Intel i7-12700H, and then meron siyang 512 gig of internal storage. And of course, LPDDR5, 16GB of RAM, and it has also XG mobile interface compatibility because this one is, it can work with our existing XG mobile. Now, let's unbox this. Dahan-dahan natin gagawin yan. Boom, there you go. It's pretty much the only thing that we will need to do, to unbox this. Alright, so, automatic meron agad kasama tayo dito na, I think this is the same laptop pouch that we got from the X13 because if you remember last year, we actually bought an X13. This time, this is the Z13. And judging from its size, whatever we have on the X13 will definitely fit here, the X13 rather would fit here, and the Z13 would fit on the laptop pouch that came with the X13. We have here a bigger box rather, and we have another smaller box. So unahin natin syempre yung smaller box because I would assume that this contains, of course, the charger, cables, and what have you. So that's pretty much everything inside. It's a box, no other, other things inside. So just for those of you who are expecting na baka may kailangan pa kayo makita, wala na. No, it's that's it. That's everything inside. And inside the smaller box, we've got here the charger. And this charger is, as far as I know, this 65 watts. Yeah, I believe so. This one is 65 watts. If, let me know in the comment section below if I'm wrong. But as far as I know, it's 65 watts. And inside the smaller box, I would assume we have got other things inside. There's a mouse here, I guess, or no? Yeah, there's a mouse. So this one comes with, what mouse is this? Oh, Strix Impact. So it's a wired mouse. I don't know if you want to use this or not, but I already have a mouse. So I might just probably put it right here and keep it. Save it for the rainy day, sabi nga nila, no? And you've got here the manual for the ROG Strix Impact. So, yeah, again, guys, if you don't have a mouse and you're going to buy this, this includes a wired mouse. But if you fancy getting yourself a, other than that, then get yourself a wireless mouse. What else? We have here of course, the power cable. And that's pretty much everything inside. Wala nang iba. I was actually expecting this. Hopefully, nasa loob, no? I'm expecting this to have a stylus because this also supports stylus. And in our review of the Z13, we actually even mentioned about how useful can that be in real-world settings. And yeah, it does. It does. It is actually very helpful. And now we have the box of the Z13. So it's a different shape, no? And yeah, okay, so let's now move on and open it up. All right. So fresh to fresh from the box, no? Walang ibang pang nakapagbukas nito. So ito na nga, so we have here the ROG Flow Z13. This is in a way a follow-up to last year's X13, which we also unboxed and reviewed. So you have here ROG Flow. I don't know if there's any use to this, but it's a good piece of design that you can place on maybe on your workstation. I don't know, but yeah, it looks cool. And you have here the Flow Z13 has there at that window where you can see the internals of the device. And we have here a small pouch which very likely includes the manuals. You have here G series, gaming notebook PC, warranty card, and my ASUS. It's an instructional, maybe manual for you to understand about my ASUS. It's a software pre-installed on ASUS laptops so that you can maximize it. So they have a bit of an ecosystem going around, and they actually pre-installed it. There's a small box. Oh, there you go, the stylus. There's a slot here where you can find the stylus. So again, guys, if you're going to get this or any other variants, you will get yourself a free stylus. Now, one of the things that I mentioned and Grant mentioned also in the review is that there is no way for you to actually put it on the side, or at least walang magnet yan on the side so that you can attach it. No? The only place where you can sort of attach it is through the keyboard, the attachment keyboard. But that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's take this out. There you go. Then the stylus is here, and there you go. We have fully unboxed the Flow Z13. And now, of course, the keyboard is already connected. Now, there was actually someone who asked during in our video that if the Flow Z13's keyboard can be used on the VivoBook with detachable keyboard or vice versa. As far as I know, we haven't actually asked this yet, but we'll verify. But as far as we know is it won't, because this is a proprietary or very specific only to the Z13. So that is based on our, on our assumption, because the the ports are different. No? Magkaiba siya. And in fact, kahit nga rin yung surface, no, Grant tried it, it doesn't fit. This is your quick look at the Flow Z13. Of course, we already have a video of this. This is more, again, as I mentioned, more of an unboxing. This is the keyboard is already attached to it. And this is what I mentioned earlier. This is only where you can put the charred stylus. As you can see, there's no way for you to actually magnetically attach it until, well, only here. Not through the sides, not here, only on this specific area. And it holds very firmly, but not actually the most ideal location for you to place your stylus. No? So baka malaglag yan, so medyo delix. But other than that, it's a pretty cool device, no? But definitely we have some concerns with it. In fact, we itemized it on our full review of the Flow Z13. Of course, it's a very fast device. Battery life is one of the things that we mentioned that you should not expect highly of. And of course, there are two cameras here, the one at the front and one at the rear. Now, it can be useful at times, but it's not something that you would really be telling your friends that, look guys, you can take photos, good photos with this one. No, that's not the case. It's very stylish. It's as a follow-up to Mothership. No, it's a smaller form factor of the Mothership. This lives onto that legacy of that device, and I like the fact that they really wanted to be different. ASUS wanted to be different by introducing this as a tablet, a gaming tablet. But to me, yes, it may be a gaming tablet, but I'm still seeing this as a gaming PC or laptop rather, albeit in a different form factor. Yes, it has a unique look to it, and it has a very huge display. And as I mentioned earlier, you can use it as a regular tablet, a Windows tablet, but it's not something that you can use the whole day, unlike the ones like the iPad. But it's okay. No, it's okay. Now, as I mentioned, this is the keyboard, and the proprietary keyboard will not fit in any ASUS products. And one of the things or concerns that I mentioned is that it can only be very stable when it is in this particular position. You do not remove it, or you don't expand the flap. You have to magnetically attach the flap to the tablet so that it will be more firm. No? So yun yung isa sa mga napansin namin when we actually review this. This is actually packed with an RTX 3050. The 12900 version has an RTX 3050 Ti. And this has, as I mentioned, a compatibility with ROG XG Mobile, which is can be very important and helpful to really upgrade the graphical performance of the device. No? But it will come at a cost. If you have an extra 90,000 or 100,000, that is pretty much the cost of a 3080 XG Mobile. So if you have that and count the fact that you need to buy this at less than 100,000, you would need to spend about 200,000 rather, in order for you to have a very powerful PC. And imagine how much you can buy, with 200,000 pesos. Now, if portability is your cup of tea, this can really be a very portable product. But at the end of the day, it's all up to you. If you're really willing to spend that much on a portable product. 99,000, it can be a little pricey for what it can offer. But then again, you're holding a piece of legacy from how ASUS is actually transforming themselves into really your go-to gaming brand in the market. So that's about it, guys. This has been Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. This has been our quick unboxing of the ROG Flow Z13. Reviews and other contents are posted now on our website at Gadget Pilipinas. You can go check out as well our videos on this channel. And if you want to know more about the latest products of ASUS, and ASUS Republic of Gamers, you can go and check them out on the website and also their website. And you may also want to wait because they've got a few more surprises along the way in the months of July and August. So that's pretty much everything I want to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.